Good morning students. In this video you will get fill in the blanks. Tick the correct option and true false. Chapter 1, chapter 2 from book as well as some extra questions. Fill in the blanks. Chapter 1. All living organisms are made up of dash cell. The dash provides rigidity and protection to the plant cell wall. All cellular activities are controlled by the dash nucleus. The dash is known as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. Dash is a group of cells performing a specific function tissue. It was observed cells for the first time. Robert Hooke. Chapter 2. Fill in the blanks. The study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. The bread dough rises because of the production of yeast. Dash are the microorganisms that cause disease, pathogens. Dash and dash are two chemical preservatives, KMS and sodium benzoate. Dash is a fungus that causes food poisoning, Aspergillus. Some dash and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, bacteria and blue-green algae. The temperature used during pasteurization is below 100 degree centigrade. Dash and dash are the common chemical preservatives, salts and edible oils. Bread left unused under moist conditions is attacked by dash fungus. Dash is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by a bacteria, anthrax. By keeping the surroundings clean and dry, we can prevent dash from breeding mosquitoes. Disease that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person is called dash disease communicable. Medicine that kills or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms are called dash antibiotics. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash microscope. Blue-green algae fix dash directly from air to enhance fertility of soil, nitrogen. Dash is produced with the help of yeast, alcohol. Cholera is caused by dash bacteria. Dash are the unicellular animals which cause disease like malaria and dysentery, protozoa. Dash and dash are microorganisms that are useful in agriculture, cyanobacteria and rhizobia. Dash and dash are bacteria that cause food poisoning, Clostridium and Staphylococcus. State true or false for the following. Human blood cell can change its shape. True. Chick cell do not have plastids. True. A cell that has a cell wall but no distinct nucleus is a bacterial cell. True. A tissue is a group of dissimilar cells. False. An organ consists of similar cells. False. Vacuoles are not found in plant cells? False. All the cells have nucleus? False. Cells of an organ have similar structure? False. Cells of a tissue have similar structure? True. Shape of all types of cells is round? False. Now chapter 2. Microorganisms are too small and are not visible to naked eye? True. Viruses can reproduce anywhere? False. Bacteria are an essential part of nitrogen cycle? True. Nitrogen is used for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds? True. Edward Jenner discovered pasteurization? False. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances? True. The carrier of dengue virus is female Anopheles? False. The disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens? True. Polio drops given to children are actually a vaccine? True. Antibiotics are only useful for human beings? False. Now tick the correct option. Chapter 1. The cell organelle which acts as a storage bag for a cell is known as the vacuole. Hence egg is a single cell. The nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by the nuclear membrane. Which one of the following terms is not a part of the nucleus? Ribosome. A suitable term for the various components of cells is chromosomes. The jelly-like fluid substance present in cell is called cytoplasm. Read the following pairs of examples of organisms. The pair that belongs to the group prokaryotes is moss and sponge, bacteria and blue-green algae, yeast and amoeba, penicillium and spirogyra, yeast and amoeba. Read the following terms and select the pair that is related to inheritance of characters: cell wall and cell membrane, chromosome and mitochondria, chloroplast and cell membrane, chromosome and genes. Genes are located in the chromosomes. Cell is located in the nucleus. Chromosomes are located in the nucleus. Cell membrane surrounds the nucleus. The correct option is genes are located in the chromosomes. Green color of leaves is due to presence of the pigment chlorophyll. The unit of measurement used for expressing dimension of cell is millimeter. The most important function of cell membrane is that it controls the entry and exit of materials from cells, control only the entry of materials into cells, control only the exit of materials from cells, allows entry and exit of materials without any control. The correct option is controls the entry and exit of materials from cell. Ajay accidentally placed his hand over a flame and immediately pulled it back. He felt the sensation of heat and reacted due to the action of skin surface. Of the parts of cell listed below, name the part that is common to plant cell animal cell and bacterial cell wall. The thread-like structure present in the nucleus are genes. Identify the statement which is true for cells. Cells can be easily seen with naked eyes. Insect's egg is not a cell. A single cell can perform all the function in the unicellular organism. The size and shape of cell is uniform in multicellular organism. A single cell can perform all the function in a unicellular organism is the correct option. Which of the following is not a cell? The correct answer is virus. The nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by the nuclear membrane. Which of the following will not be found in an egg cell, human liver cell, and an amoeba? Ribosomes. Which of the following represents the correct sequence? The option D, cell, tissue, organ, and organ system. Which amongst the following pairs can be found only in a plant cell but not in an animal cell? The correct answer is D, cell wall and cell membrane. Chapter 2. Tick the correct option. The process that helps in milk to last longer but does not kill all microbes present in it is known as pasteurization. Rust of wheat is caused by fungus. Medicines containing killed or weakened pathogens and used to prevent infectious diseases are called antibiotics. Which of the following reproduces only inside a host cell virus? A disease caused by a virus and spread by an insect is dengue. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. The following is an antibiotic, streptomycin. Carrier of malaria causing protozoa is female Anopheles mosquito. The most common carrier of communicable diseases is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of growth of yeast cell. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. The bacterium promotes the fermentation of milk into curd. The correct answer is lactobacillus. Typhoid is a disease. The correct answer is bacterial. Viruses reproduce only inside the cells of, correct answer is host organism.